May bagong preferred shares offering ang Topline Business Development Corporation. The company is offering up to 1.5 billion pesos worth of preferred shares to fund its business expansion plans. Last year lang nag-IPO ang TOP noong April 2025, so 1 year pa lang siya na listed sa PSE. Topline is a Cebu-based company involved in the fuel industry. It has a market cap of 18.4 billion pesos. It's a small cap company. Meron siyang dalawang series. Series A1 has 9.1325% yield with optional redemption date of 3 years from listing date. Series A2 naman has 9.9581% yield with optional redemption date of 5 years from listing date. Since naka-indicate na optional redemption date siya, this means that the company is not required to redeem the preferred shares on the redemption date. Kapag hindi nila na-redeem ang preferred shares, may step-up feature sa dividend rate. Investors will continue to receive dividends at tataas ang dividend yield na matatanggap ng investors beyond the optional redemption date. Quarterly ang payout ng dividends every 26th of March, June, September, and December. Dividends will be cumulative, which means pag nag-skip ang company na magbayad ng dividends due to financial issues, mag-accumulate ang unpaid dividends and will be paid pag nag-resume na magbayad ng dividends ang kumpanya. Price is 100 pesos per share with minimum subscription of 500 shares. Thereafter, in multiples of 10 shares. So, 50,000 pesos ang minimum investment. Offer period is from June 2 to June 15 and listing date is June 26. Take note, preferred shares are not risk-free. They can provide attractive income pero hindi rin guaranteed. Pag humina ang earnings at cash flow ng kumpanya, dividend payments can be delayed or suspended. So don't just look at the dividend yield. Look at the company's ability to pay consistent dividends. Read and understand the prospectus and the terms of offer before investing.